Hi, this is Harald from A1 Driving School. Today we're showing you a video on what steps to take when going around a left-hand bend on a country road. Let's go and have a look. When approaching a left-hand bend on a country road, we check the rear vision mirror first. We then look ahead. We can see the recommended speed for the bend. We slow down before the bend and we approach slightly on the right-hand side, still well away from oncoming traffic. We're trying to maximize our visibility around the bend. We accelerate around the bend and we accelerate more as we come out of the bend if it's safe to do so. We have a good look ahead, look for any signs, any information, and we recheck the rear vision mirror once we're settled. Thank you for watching our video on what steps to take when going around a left-hand bend on a country road. We hope you found it useful. Next time we're showing you what steps to take when going around a right bend on a country road.